And this is Second Ezra chapter 9 verse 3, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. It says, "Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes," that's the key word, earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Wakarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is another sit-down lesson, my second one of this recent news article from the JerusalemPost.com. And this is from September the 12th, 2023 by Reuters, and it reads, "A magnitude of a 5.5 earthquake struck the Chile-Bolivia border." And I believe like a couple of weeks ago, we had like I would say like a month and a half ago, I remember I did a sit-down lesson on this same region area. I believe it was either the Argentina-Chile border. That was like a 6.1 magnitude earthquake, if I'm not mistaken. But with this recent earthquake, this is a 5.5 magnitude of an earthquake on the Chile-Bolivia border. And it says a 5.5 magnitude earthquake struck the Chile-Bolivia border region on Tuesday. The German Research Center for Geoscience, GFZ, says the quake has a depth of 104 kilometers, 64.62 miles, the GFZ says. Bring out that Luke 21:11 as well too. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. "And a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven." So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent earthquake over there in the Chile-Bolivia area. And it was a magnitude of a 5.5 earthquake. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Wakarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.